Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our IT class. Hope you all are fine. Okay, let's start the class. Today we are going to see the new chapter, Digital Documentation, chapter 8. Let's see the contents of today's class. First one is word processing applications, launching a document, creating a document, parts of writer window. Let's have the detailed information about subtitles. First one is word processing application. Before we are going to see word processing application, first we know what is meant by word processor. So word processor, it is a one kind of program for editing, rearranging and storing text. So writer allows not just creation of simple documents but also add various styles and themes and save your own templates. Themes is nothing but some graphical representation, pictorial representation called themes. Then templates mean that is a formats, document format that we call templates. Then you want to add mail merge, then use add border, shading, etc. So Writer is a feature-rich, freely downloadable and open source Office suite. You are free to use it, change it and distribute in the accordance with an GNU copyleft license. So there are two types of resource requirements. First one is hardware requirement. Second one is software requirements. In hardware requirements, you need multimedia computer system. In software requirements, LibreOffice Writer software. Now we are going to study the software that name is LibreOffice Writer software. See this slide, these are all the software packages. First one is WordPad, it is desktop based. Then Notepad, it is also desktop based. Then Microsoft Word, desktop based. Then Google Docs, that is an internet based. Here these are all the desktop based, and this one only, this software only internet based software. So here WordPad and Notepad are the basic text editors for word processing application, and they come along with Windows. While OpenOffice, see this one, while OpenOffice Writer and Microsoft Word, this one Microsoft Word and OpenOffice software are advanced word processing applications. Both are different packages. See, these are different packages, but nowadays these two are advanced. OpenOffice, this one, the software OpenOffice is a part of OpenOffice suite and freely available on the website, that is www.openoffice.org, whereas Microsoft Word is a part of Microsoft Office suite. See some advantages of LibreOffice Writer. First advantage is helps in correcting spelling and grammatical mistakes in the document. Second point, enable you to change the order of sentence and paragraphs. Then third point, allow you to change the font, size, style and color of the text. Then fourth point, helps in counting numbers of words in your document. Fifth point, allows to insert pictures in the document. Then last point, enable you to print your document. Let's see how to launch a Vibe Office Writer. To start Writer, click first go to Start button, select all programs. Under that Vibe Office 2.2, then click Vibe Office Writer. This is the first step to launching a document. After click this, see this is your screen. Next one is creating a document. So just start to type on the opened document window. There are two data insertion modes available in the writer. They are insert mode and overwrite mode. So this is your screen. In order to start entering data into a document, just start to type on a opened document window. So I already said there are two types. First one is insert mode and overwrite mode. In insert mode, text keep getting inserted from the insertion pointer, and the insertion pointer keeps getting pushed to the right. Insertion pointer is nothing but mouse pointer. Okay. Then overwrite. Overwrite mode means the text present before the insertion get overwritten. Let's see the parts of writer window. First one is title bar, second one is menu bar, standard toolbar, formatting toolbar, then fifth one is status bar. In title bar, it is located at the top of the interface. Interface is nothing but your screen. It is located at the top of the screen. So in the title bar contains here file name, name of the application, and window management buttons on the right. See here in title bar, commands, that is file command, edit command, view command, these are all the commands, and also contain three buttons. This one is minimize, then maximize, this one is close button. You already know this is a title bar. Then after that, second one is menu bar. Menu bar is located just below the title bar in Windows and Linux at the top of the screen. When you select one of the menu, for example here I'll select the format menu, means the commands that directly case and actions like close or save from the file tab. Then this one is standard toolbar. So standard toolbar normally open on the right side of the writer screen. You may open up the slide bar with view menu, here view menu or slide bar. Then status bar. Status bar is located at the bottom of the screen. It provides information about the document and convenient ways to quickly change some document features. It can be hidden by deselecting in the view menu. Next one is document view. Writer has three ways to view and edit a document. First one, normal view. Second one is web view. See here, first one is normal view, second one is web view, then third one is full screen view. So in normal view, it is a default view in the writer. Default view means it is already presented in the writer software. So it shows how the document will look when you print it or it or create a PDF. In this view, you can use the zoom slider and the view layout icons on the status bar to change the magnification. Second one is in web view. Web view shows how the document will look if viewed in the web browser. This is useful when you create HTML documents. You already learned in 8th class HTML. Then third view is full screen view. In this view, no toolbar or slide bar are displayed. The document takes up the full area available using the zoom and layout setting previously selected. For example, to exit full screen view and return to either normal or web view, press the escape key or click the full screen icon on the floating toolbar in the top left corner. You can also use Ctrl plus Shift plus J to enter or exit full screen view. And last one is navigator. Using the navigator. See, this symbol is navigator symbol. Writer provides way to move quickly through the document and find specific items by using many features of the navigator. The navigation toolbar and related icons. See, these are the navigation toolbar and related icons. This one is navigation toolbar and this one is icons. So in the default installation of Vibe Office, the navigator is a part of the slide bar. It lists all the heading. See, listen, see this one, heading. It lists all the heading, tables, text frames, image, OLE objects. OLE objects is pictorial representation objects. Then bookmarks, then selection, hyperlink. If you click hyperlink, it go to the another page. That is the use of hyperlink. So other objects contained in the document. Then how you open the navigator? First, click the navigator tab in the tab bar on the right side of the side. Here, first step, just you want to click the navigator tab. Then second point, this one, click navigator icons on the standard toolbar. After that, press F5 key, that is function key. F5 key is nothing but function key, or otherwise you choose view under the navigator on the menu bar. This is the way to use the navigator in the Vibe Office Writer.